my true love gave to me. These beauties. Okay, I really can't sing. Aren't they pretty? Oh, they so pretty. Oh. Came in here for a cinnamon bun and they all gone. I mean, it's empty. I mean, I guess I could eat that big old crumb. Alright, because it's Vlogmas. I gotta tape everything I can think of to tape so I can have some content. Alright, Hubby went to where'd he go? Hubby went to Kroger. Alright, it's right there on the thing. We have no groceries. We are empty nesters and we don't cook. We eat out almost every day. I cook some, okay, let's not lie. Because it's sunny outside and we don't want no lightning to strike out the blue. But I do cook sometimes. Anyway, so my son's home. Daughter's moving home. Gotta have food in the house. So anyway, so hubby ran to the grocery store this morning. And the darn Kroger, freezers were out. A couple of them, not these, where we got these from. But some of the other ones out. So he couldn't get everything that he wanted to get. So we got the dry rub. He got the dry rub chicken wings. I was editing a video. Girl. Vlogmas. I tell you every time, do nothing. Got some hand-cooked picked broccoli florets. Let's see. Got some green beans. I like mixing these green beans with the green and the yellow. Usually I'll do like one green and then one of the mixed green and yellow, but you know, hubby shopping, so thank you, hubby. All right, so we got two of the broccoli. Oh, looks like there's some watermelon in there. He also went to Fresh Market, so watermelon is definitely out of season. All right, this was $2.72. So let's see what that tastes like. I don't know. It's out of season. What do y'all think? This kind of like, I don't know. Let's see. Not bad. That's not bad at all. Okay. That's not bad. Not bad at all. I love watermelon. Alright, that's some bacon. This is sliced bacon. You're supposed to put this in the oven. And so, the guy gave this to him for free. Because I was working this morning. Hubby was trying to talk to me. And I don't know. So anyway, so the guy gave him his bacon. Because he was like, my wife is a little overwhelmed and stressed this morning. So, got that bacon. And some pork ribs. These are the country style cut pork ribs. So this is from Sprouts. So this is from Sprouts. Yeah, this is from Sprouts. Okay. Okay, this is from Sprouts. The meat is from Sprouts. And then you got these shoulder in, bone in pork chops. Got some Sprouts OJ. So this is our first time tasting Sprouts OJ. So no poke. So should be good. These are tomatoes are from the other day from Kroger. And he got my favorite chips, which I love. Yes. So got two of those. Alright. And then he got this pizza. He said they didn't have a large selection. I like the ones with the pepperoni on it, so he got the one with the vegetable pizza. So it's gonna have to do today. My son can heat that up, or I'll heat it up, and maybe we'll put some bacon on it. Who knows? All right, and yeah, let's see. And he got me. I would show you my kitchen, but I'm washing clothes, so I don't want to scare nobody. And he got me some roses. I love roses. Isn't that nice? I had to put some water in them. So that's what I was over here doing after I was editing my video. So I'll put some water in there because that was too sweet. Because I've been working like a nut for VLOGMAS. So let's see. Maybe I'll take these out. And then, isn't that pretty? Isn't that just sweet? Let's see, where do you get, yeah. I don't know if they're from Kroger or Sprouts, but it's just so beautiful. Alright, so now I'm gonna waste this. But anyway. Yep, I know it was. Some water in there. Making a mess. Making a mess. Okay, let's see if we can't get this show on the road. Excuse my sink, I need to wash this. But this real life over here is the real kitchen. These are washed, but I need to wash this other side. Alright. So this is an old what's this? Hubby's lemonade. So yeah. And this is gonna be hard to do with one hand. Let's see if I can find some scissors. I'll put all my food up. Let's see. This is the second video I have recorded today, this morning. So yeah. So pretty. Oh. The sweetest hubby in the whole world. Let's see. Put those in there. Should I? Guess I should take this off. Pretty. Don't put them in here. There they are. I just thought this jar was so cute. I just thought that was so cute. I like using unusual things for vases. But anyway, I like using unusual things for vases. I just think this is so pretty. Isn't that pretty? Set it right on my table if I don't change it. So pretty. All right, I might actually change this and put it in another jar. But for right now, it's going to go in there. Because I want to peel this off. So I want to peel that off. But for right now, you get the gist. It's just like that. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. Aww. It's just because I can sit this in my office because it's so slender. So that's why I like to use unusual vases. Because a lot of the vases that I get seems like they're, you know, thick around the bottom. So, but anyway. Never you mind. Look how pretty that is. I got another vase somewhere. I'll just have to find it. But for right now, that is too pretty. Yeah. All right, guys. See you in a second. Guess I go ahead and put this in the oven so we can have some lunch. Yes. I'm still in my nightgown. I'm still in PJs. Anybody else in PJs? I'm working. I've been working since early this morning, but editing videos and doing videos, but I'm still in PJs. So, put these in the oven. It smells good, guys. It's from Sprouts. But Sprouts and Fresh Market have the best pizzas to me. It's in there, and then I'm gonna. The oven's preheating. I got a bad habit of putting stuff in before it preheats. I've always done that. Let's see. I'm going to put some of this chicken in here. I've never tasted the dry rub honey, so it'll be my first time tasting it. Let's see. Y'all see I'm trying to back up and not show you too much of my kitchen. I gotta clean up. But anyway, too much of my kitchen because I got some madness going on over there. And this is not a clean with me video today. Let me see. Yeah, this is not that kind of video. Oh, all right. So there they are. They smell good. So I'm gonna try these. Let's go ahead and put some in there. I had some from the other day. Oh, well, these are the ones we tried the other day, the dry rub. Okay, I just didn't know what they are. You don't have to put the dry rub on it. Okay. Okay. That's what I was trying to see. But yeah, that's the same ones. And the ones from the other day are really good. So, okay. Oh, that's good. Pizza and wings. You know how that goes. Pizza and wings. And I could make a salad, but I'm not sure that I will. So I don't want to lie to y'all, because I'm working today. And yeah. And I cook from time to time. When the spirit hits. So, and I cook with my son. So. Alright guys, so I'm going to put this up, and I'll see you in a minute. Got some things I need to do before Christmas, like clean out my stove, continue washing dishes, move my daughter in. Yeah. Alright guys, so I will see you guys back in a minute. Oh, check out these if you like these Kool-Aid jammers if you have kids. If you don't have kids, my kids are older, but they still love Kool-Aid jammers. I know I'm turning out sideways. I think they were $1.79, which I've gotten them, the Kroger ones, for as low as 77 cents, but they didn't have that. And then this was on sale at Kroger the other day. I'm not sure if I did this haul or not. I might have, I'm not sure. But I had got this haul at Kroger the other day. Oh, I think I did. This was the day I took y'all shopping with me, and they were like $2.19 for two. So that's a really good deal. So it was two of these, and it was just like this, two of these. But I've already used two. So, you know what? I just want to show you this since we're here. See you guys in a minute. On the 5th day of Vlogmas, my true love gave to me these beauties. Okay, I really can't sing. Aren't they pretty? Oh, they're so pretty. Oh. Hubby really did get me some beautiful flowers, and I am so grateful. I love him. I love him. I love him. Thank you, bae. You are amazing. You are my rock, and I absolutely adore you. Guys, I hope you are checking out my Vlogmas videos. I'm trying to be faithful to Vlogmas this year, and I am vlogging every day. So check it out, 1 through 4, day 1 through 4 if you haven't already. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Hugs. Love you guys. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Synolve, and check out my website at synolve.com. Bye-bye, guys. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can get all the notifications of our upcoming videos. And while you're at it,
go ahead and check out the community tab. I always try to post some amazing content in the community tab. So just reminders and just so we can stay connected. So check out the community tab on YouTube under my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, guys. Ooh, hugs. Love you.